In this video, I will show you how to bet in 1 week bonus money. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I advise you create a professional 1 week account. To do that, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to fill in your details, choose your currency, your phone number, your email address, and your password. Now, when you come to promo codes, you're going to use the promo code RENZO7. If you use the promo code RENZO7, 1 week is going to give you up to 500% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $500 as your bonus, and you can use to bet. Now, let's continue. So if you want to bet with your bonus money 1 week after creating an account and using the promo code RENZO7 that I gave you, all you have to do is you click on your account management here and then choose bonus account. As you can see, there will be two wallets. There's a main account and the bonus account. Remember, your bonus accounts only fill after you've deposited, and if you use the promo code I give, once you click on the bonus account, you close that and then come over to the sports you want to bet on. So for instance, you come to an event, like if you come over to an event you want to bet on, choose any event that you want to bet on, anyone, and then go ahead and bet on that particular event. Once you bet on the event, the money you are going to be using is the one in your bonus account, because you already selected your bonus account, and that's how to bet with your bonus money in 1 week.